So hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. My name is juliettsstyleglam. If this is your first time on my channel, tu la bienvenue, you are very welcome. And of course, if you already subscribed to my channel, hey, you the real MVP. Yes, so today, you guys, please bear with me. You'll see me You'll see me grimace a lot in this video. I woke up hale and hearty, and I'm having a piercing chest pain. I don't understand. It's making me I'm in so much pain right now. I don't even understand. So I have to call the doctor. I have to make a house call. Anyways, that aside, today is going to be about this beautiful bold eye look, colorful, summery, you know, beautiful look. I love it though. I don't know, I just decided like I said in my last video, it's all about getting out of our comfort zone. Okay, yes, so that's the look. That's the look. And of course, stick around to see how I did or how I achieved this look. And of course, do not fail to like, share, comment, subscribe on this channel, and leave your thoughts. Always drop some pixie dust before you go. Yes, and until next time, adios mes amours, and je vous aime très fort. Au revoir.